So I actually had a really interesting 24 hours. I sliced my finger open with a razor blade and I got the brand new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus from Verizon. I mean, one thing's definitely better than the other, but luckily we don't need a razor to cut this thing open. What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and thanks to Verizon, we actually have a very special guest here in the studio. Today, it is the brand new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Get so very hyped! Now, today, I'm actually just going to be doing an unboxing of this phone, as well as just giving you guys a little comparison between the iPhone XS, as well as the red hydrogen one, just so you guys can get a feel for how this phone is, because I know a lot of people just pick a phone, judging by its size, because it could be too big, could be too small, so that's why I want to do a little size comparison also as well. So without further ado, let's turn this into a movie set so I can give you guys an unboxing as well as a comparison. Let's put this over here for some nice aesthetic. Let's put this over here for just a little more aesthetic because plants always look good in a video. Let's put the S10 Plus right here and let's get to unboxing it. So let's take this off, and right on top is the phone itself, looking so very good. This is actually the black version over here, and my goodness, guys, you guys know I love red, but this just looks gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I love it. So let's put this to the side over here. We have our manuals and instructions over here. We have the AC adapter. We have a USB-A to USB-C connector, which is nice because everything is going USB-C now. So you can use this for the power adapter if you want to connect it to a USB-C port for fast charging. You have the AKG Samsung headphones over here, which is great because this thing still does have a headphone jack, unlike most phones these days. And we have our USB-A to USB-C cable over here. So that's what you get in the box. Now this phone over here is actually pretty nicely sized. Like, I wouldn't say it's massive like the red hydrogen one because this thing is also very, very thin. But let's pull it over for a second just so you guys can see how it is. So here's the iPhone XS. And here is the red hydrogen one, which also does have a case, which is really hard to get off. But the red hydrogen one is massive compared to these phones. So it's not really like practical for like daily use, but it is a fun phone to use nonetheless. The iPhone XS obviously goes without saying. It's an iPhone. People love iPhones. They either love them or they hate them. And you have your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, which is Android as well. It's about just as thin as the iPhone XS. And it is bigger because obviously it's the Plus version. So I would more compare this to if you want the iPhone XS Max, which is the bigger version of this one, it would be more comparable to the S10 Plus. So this would be more comparable to the S10, the normal S10, and probably the S10e as well. But nonetheless, guys, this is the unboxing and also the comparison for the Samsung S10 Plus. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you want to see with the Galaxy S10 Plus. I have a lot of videos that I really want to do with this phone. And, you know, just look forward to them. Hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. And until the next video, I will catch you guys later. Peace.